Yo guys, what is good? It's your boy Jamong here, back again with another video. And guys, today I finally got my Grail. Alright, so honestly, I don't even really know where to begin. I'm not gonna reveal it yet because I want to show you guys, a small snippet of my journey trying to get this shoe. So I'm gonna have a bunch of clips from the past and I'm gonna add them all in and I'll explain everything. So I guess let me just get right into it and I'll show you guys starting from about a couple of weeks ago. So let's go. Alright guys, so I don't know if I'm gonna include this in the vlog. I'm on a mission here. I got these two huge bags, and if I succeed in this mission, I'll show you guys everything. I'll tell you guys all the details. But yep, right now, yeah, this is a lot. Look at this line. Alright guys, so it's the end of the day. I got online at District 1, which is a pretty well-known consignment shop. I was so ready to get my pair of, I'm not going to tell you guys yet until the end of the video. Basically, I got online during opening time and I was expecting to just do a trade with some cash on top for these pair of shoes. When I got in, they basically said that I couldn't buy them because somebody online in front of me already reserved them. So they're in the back and I wouldn't be able to buy them. And I was kind of disappointed because I brought all my shoes out for nothing then. I will have to say though, it has been a hard process having to buy and look for a legit pair of the sneaker. So this is really, really hard, but I'm gonna try my best to keep looking for another pair. And I guess I will update you guys. So yep, back to the video. All right, so a little update on my journey. My order is on the way from eBay. And I don't want to show you guys what shoe it is yet because I will talk about it, but I'm going to be so excited if the shoe is legit, and I'll show you guys everything later on in the video. Alright guys, so I'm in my pajamas right now, but I just got notification that eBay has authenticated my purchase. And my thumb is covering the shoe because I don't want to show you guys yet, but I'm so excited because this means they're legit. So let's wait until I finally get them in my hand and I will show you guys more and finally review the shoe. Alright, so right now I just woke up. If I kind of look a little groggy and stuff like that, I did just come back from the post office because I had to pick my package up. So it was really annoying. Yesterday the package was supposed to come, even though on eBay they said they were coming tomorrow. I didn't know, and the guy tried to ring my doorbell, but my doorbell is broken. He needed a signature and then ended up leaving with my package, so I didn't get it yesterday. I was kind of tight, so I just scheduled it to pick up at the post office so I could pick them up in my own hands. I got the package. I'm gonna shower and get ready, and then I can get to showing you guys what's finally in here. Back to the video. Alright, now that you guys have seen everything leading up to today, why don't I just finally open up the box and I'll let you guys know, what this is and my whole story behind it. And I'm so excited. I haven't even taken a look at what's inside, and I'm so excited. You guys are literally gonna see my real reaction because I don't know, like I might go off the walls here, but let's do it. Alright, oh my gosh, I'm kind of nervous. Let's do it from the other side. So as you guys have seen, I got this off of eBay. I needed this shoe to be authentic. I just needed it. I needed that authenticity guarantee just because this shoe specifically has a bad reputation when it comes to reps. I hate that about this shoe, but I'll keep explaining everything as we go on. Okay, so we got the box open. As you guys can see, this is from eBay and it says meet your soulmates. Yes, these are my soulmates. I'm so excited. Oh shoot, I already see the box. All right, 3, 2, 1. We got this brown Nike box. Oh bro, I never thought this day would come. Whew. I need a breather. I'm sorry guys. Oh boy. Alright, so like with all eBay orders with the authenticity guarantee, We do have the proof of authenticity right here. And now we have the box. I don't know if you guys know what this box is. You should know if you're into sneakers, but I'll open the box up. 3, 2, 1. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay. As you guys can see, we do have the Travis Scott Jordan 1s in the mocha colorway. This is the original OG Travis Scott Jordan 1 that he first released back in 2019. So I'm gonna take them out of the box. It looks so good. You have that eBay authenticity guarantee, so these are real. Sheesh. And these are very, very clean. They're barely worn. Okay, so I did buy them worn, just because, well, first of all, they're a lot cheaper rather than buying them brand new. And I just could not see myself busting out a dead stock pair and then ruining it. I was like, if I'm gonna wear the shoe, might as well just be worn. A little lightly worn, you know, I don't want them to be beat. Oh shoot, these are so fire. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a better look of the shoe. As you can see on the outside of the shoe, you do have that reverse swoosh that Travis Scott is most known for, and I love that. I love that about him so much. On the inside, you have regular swoosh. There's a lot of things that I love about this shoe. So first, obviously, is that reverse swoosh. I think that just is so unique when it comes to Nike shoes. I don't know how Travis Scott was able to pull it off when he came to collaborating with Nike, but you know, it's really hard to kind of change up a Nike shoe like this. I also love the little stash in the back pocket here, if I could get it open. I got it open, so as you guys can see, there is this little stash, this Velcro stash, where the heel tab is, and it runs throughout the entire shoe. Obviously, I'm not gonna try to put anything in the shoe, but I always think that is such a nice detail, and it's Velcro, so you guys can just kind of close it up. And oh my gosh, the shoe is so fire. We have our black laces, we have the white laces, and then a pair of red laces, and then the brown laces. But I think what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put in the pink ones, just because they are usually the more sought after lace that everyone puts on, and I think it looks cleaner. And yeah, I mean, everything about the shoe is just so beautiful. I finally have a pair. Oh my gosh. Alright, so enough of me marveling over these shoes. I'm gonna talk a little bit about why these are my grails and the history behind them. So I'm gonna start predating all the way back to 2019, when I first got into sneakers. So when I was a freshman in college, I was really into shoes. I didn't really know too much about the reselling game yet. You know, when these dropped on sneakers, I went for them. At first, I kept taking L's. They kept saying these sizes were selling out, and that's because the app was just crashing. But I went for a size 13. I was just like, I don't care, I'm gonna get any size, because I know that this shoe has money. So when I went for a 13, I got them, and I took a W, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is crazy, because at the time the shoes were going for like a little bit, like at $1,000, and I was like, I just made money right here. I made bank. So I finally got them in my hand, and I have a picture, which I'm gonna probably show here or here, anywhere, of me finally having the shoes. They were huge, and at the time I really had no intention of keeping them. A lot of my friends were saying, oh, you should have traded them in your size and you should have kept them. And I was just like, nah, I mean, like, I don't really like the shoe. I don't think that the shoe is all that great. That's probably one of the worst mistakes of my life. And the story gets even worse, because I remember at that summer after my freshman year, I was kind of broke at the time. So I was like, I need to sell some shoes. And then I also saw that the Travis Scotts were plummeting in price, and I didn't know why. I was really confused. I thought that they were gonna like keep shooting up for like over $1,000. Little me back then didn't know that, but I was just like, I don't want them to go any lower. And instead of holding on to them, I decided to sell them on GOAT, which is a terrible idea, because basically, for those of you guys who don't know, when you're selling on GOAT, obviously they're gonna take fees from you. But once you have that money in your GOAT account, in order to deposit that into your bank account, they take even more money. So pretty much I left with about $600-700 in profit. Currently now, if you sell a pair in a size 13, you can probably make like $1,000 or maybe $1,100. You can make so much more money, and if you keep holding on to them, they'll continue to go up. Ever since that day, I was just really regretful about selling these shoes, and over time I've learned to love and appreciate the Travis Scott Jordan 1s because they just look so beautiful. I know a lot of people like the other Travis Scott Jordan 1 collabs, like the Fragments or the Reverse Mochas, and don't get me wrong, those are so nice, but when it comes to the OG pair, it has a special place in my heart just because I had it. I didn't know what to do with them. I sold them for dummy cheap. I was so sad. I tell myself every day I should have traded them in for my size, and I would have been paying a little bit more, like maybe like an extra $100 or $200 since the prices were very low at the time. But now I'd be paying like what? I don't even want to tell you guys how much I paid because it was a lot. So after I graduated college, I was very determined to make some money and then save up for a pair of these. Last week, I was just like, I can't take it anymore. I gotta buy a pair. So I finally got a pair, and as you guys can see in the videos that I've shown you guys, I bought them. They were authentic even before they were authenticated on eBay because I wanted to make sure that I wasn't just putting out a large sum of money just for it to say that it was fake and then wait for a couple of days for my refund to come back. So I did have to go through the Check app, which is an online legit checking platform, and I paid like $3 to get them authenticated. I thought $3 is better than getting scammed, getting fake shoes. So I ended up running them through Check app, and they were authentic. They did pass through Check app. And on top of that, I'm also a part of a Facebook group in which people buy, sell, trade sneakers. We also are a community in which we kind of help each other out. So another guy had a pair of Travis's already, and I asked him, I sent him these pictures of the listing and I asked him to kind of legit check them. He said that they look good to him, and when I got those 2 okays, I went for it and I got these shoes. So now I finally have these shoes. These are my Grails, guys. I'm not kidding. I've always been telling my friends, this is my dream shoe. This is the shoe that I want to get. It's a lot of money, I know, compared to my other sneakers. But yeah, basically, I know I've talked a lot, but as you guys can see, I've gone through a lot of trouble to just get these pair of sneakers. I tell my friends all the time that these are my dream shoe. This was my end goal in kind of getting my entire sneaker collection. Obviously, this doesn't mean that I'm never gonna buy another pair of shoes again. I honestly do have another pair that I kind of want to get, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. I feel like this is a milestone, and this is kind of like the final boss level in the game. Here you have all these different levels and different achievements that you get in the game, but you finally get to the big boss and you get that the big prize after all, and you beat the game. So in my opinion, I beat the game. I got to where I wanted to be as a sneakerhead. I'm definitely going to be getting a lot more shoes in the future. I don't imagine myself not, but I'm so happy I finally have a pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing, guys. I can't believe it. So yeah, I don't really know what else much there is to say about this sneaker other than this is one of my favorite sneakers of all time. This is definitely on my top 3, I would have to imagine, and I'll be keeping them. I will not be selling these. This honestly has been my longest Grail that I've wanted since my sophomore year of college. So guys, there we have it. The Travis Scott Jordan 1s in the mocha colorway. Oh my gosh, I love this shoe so much. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out this video, but don't leave just yet. I will be showing you guys what they look like on feet, and I will be trying them on. But yeah, here we have it. The Travis Scott Jordan 1 in the mocha colorway. Thank you guys for keeping up with me. If you liked the video, make sure to leave that big thumbs up. And if you guys want to hear more from me, smash the subscribe button. Guys, if I am able to grow my YouTube channel, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to acquire more Grails like this in the future, but I need the support of you guys, so I can't do it without you. With all that being said, these are my all-time Grails, the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott in the mocha colorway, the best shoe of all time. I'm sorry, I said it again, but these are one of my favorite shoes, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.